Okay.
Hey, welcome to Otter HB. Here we are taking a walk around Pacific Coast Sport Fishing Show. A little bit of everything. It is a fishing show, so we're gonna walk through, look through all the buildings, see what everything there is to offer. So come join me and let's go take a look. So I think I timed it pretty good today. It's Friday, right at about 12:30. Show just opened up. So it's not too crowded, so should make for a pretty good experience. That's the Turner's booth right there. They always have a huge showing. And welcome to a local sporting goods. But as far as fishing goes, they definitely have a selection. Great deals too. There it is, the hookup booth. You've seen me fish with it, especially up in the Sierras on the last trip up at Bishop. We just killed it for the Sierras. It can't be beat. And I'll tell you, lately, I've been surf fishing with the hookups and I've just been shocked at the results. The perch have been loving it. It's kind of like a white and brown one. Been doing really good, so you might want to check that one out. Get hookup, it's the way to go. So the way this show is set up is as you come through the gates, there's a bunch of stuff on the outside. And then they've got about 5 or 6 different buildings where everything is set up. And then you just kind of go building to building. Here's probably the best part about the second building as you come walking in. Welcome to Pelagic. It is some of my favorite clothes as far as for fishing. Their shorts just work for fishing. Everything about it, it's what they're designed for. It's designed to either be fishing or be on a boat. It's just comfortable. It moves right. You got to check it out. Pelagic.
Thank you guys.
This is pretty cool. If you look at these shirts, we see Anglerette. Finally some shirts made for girls. It's all like Janine fishes. And there's a lot of girls out there fishing, so if you get a chance, check them out. There you go, Western Outdoor News. It is the one norm of everything that we all have in common when it comes down to fishing is Western Outdoor News. You just can't beat it, man. It's got everything. So here is Haggard Pirate. A couple things. First, this boot's called Shantytown, and I'll tell you, their clothes are awesome. I love wearing it. But one of the cool things is if you go to their Instagram, Haggard Pirate, they actually live the lifestyle. I mean, you see them out. We're on the West Coast. They're out fishing. They're out surfing. Their Instagram, their Facebook shows it all the time. And I'll tell you, it is just so much fun to follow. something we talk about fishing, and a lot of times we don't think about spear fishing. I've got a couple buddies that are really hardcore into spear fishing, and you watch the videos and you look at what they're using, it's all like, how would that be? It's just something else. I've watched some videos of them spear fishing. Welcome to going out to the middle of the ocean, sitting on a patty, diving off a boat with a big old spear pole and seeing a yellowtail. What a day that would be. Fun. Okay, here's a booth that's talking all about Bishop. Let me tell you something about Bishop, and I just did a couple videos up there. Go back and watch them. Welcome to Upper Sierras. Fishing is closed. Opener's coming last weekend in April, goes, but through the winter months when fishing's closed, Owens River is open year round. Most of the waters up there are still open, catch and release. I spent 2 different trips, 3-day trips, and I'll tell you, the fishing was so much fun. And just being in Bishop, the food. You got the bowling alley, which has amazing food. Whiskey Creek. Take a Bishop trip. I highly, highly recommend it. It really is something. It's pretty cool just walking from building to building. Everything's got kind of a little bit different area, a little bit different vibe. You get some salt water. Last building had some 395, some local stuff. This is a lot of sport fishing. And it's kind of cool. Everywhere you look, fishing, of course. But each building's kind of a little bit different. Hey, so here's Dana Wharf Sport Fishing. Their boats are awesome. We have quarter day, 3/4 day, full day, and more. If you want it, they have it. But check this out. One of my coworkers was just doing some research, and he was looking, and he's seen on Tuesdays they have 50% off. That's just shocking. He's all like, I'm taking every Tuesday off, and I watched them do it, and then book every Tuesday. 50% off, and you get to go fishing. What a deal. Half day, you guys go out to the island at all? 3/4, full day?
3/4 day, it's all local stuff for the Tuesday half price deal.
Yeah, the Tuesday, we're not talking about the Tuesday. But understand, if you want to go out to the island, they've got boats that go out to the island.
Overnight, half day, twilight.
Half day, overnights, check them out. You won't be disappointed. Also, if we're trying to go out of Newport, we have so many different boats that go out of Newport. We have the Freelance here. We have Blackfish. We have the Thunderbird. If you want to go out of Newport, there are boats that go, and there are fish to be caught.
It's the way to go. Thunderbird,
right?
off the hook, dude. I'm telling you.
I've watched the reports. There's always fish.
No, 100%, always. Great spot.
Remember that, Thunderbird.
Absolutely.
Here is one of my favorite booths of the show at all time, of all times. It is the Amadeo Bachar, and I'll put a link to his work. But just look at the work that he does, and the fishing is just, the pictures are amazing. They tell a story as you look at it and you go, oh my gosh. And welcome to the amount of money all of us spend on fishing rods and poles and everything else. This is what we need in our house. Just a story and something that you look at that it brings it to life and you just get so excited. It's stunning work. Anyways, I think, oh,
That's the new one.
here is the new one. Look at this. It's a map of Channel Islands with the life below, above and below, and everywhere we want to go fish. So you got to check it out. I'll put his Instagram, go to his site, check it out. His work is stunning. I think I'm gonna call it a show. It's been great, it's been fun. There's been so much to see. I hope you enjoyed. It is Pacific Coast Sport Fishing Show. I'm Otter from Otter HB. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please hit subscribe. Go to the channel. There's hundreds of videos. Fishing, camping, hiking, a little bit of everything. Go enjoy. So to the next show, we'll see you soon.